Well, there goes one of our French visitors there in Rover 75.
I haven't got the keys to it. Sorry.
Right. Is this from Slovakia? Oh, they got the Austin 840 there. Alright, there's another international one here. Obviously left-hand drive. Tego there. Well, of course, Montego. Stake there. So, Rover 100 there, the 4-5 door. Austin Cambridge. 1300 Morris Marina, must be very rare. Most of those would have been the 1700, especially the estate version. Radio still broadcasting here. The Vickers Rover there, the Rover 75. Lovely Wolsey 6 here. Austin Cambridge.
So what I do is I bring a convoy that starts at the Calvin factory and we come.
There's Gemma on the radio now, I think. Gemma Cartwright, the organiser.
We join everyone here.
Absolutely, and it's absolutely brilliant because Tanya has many phone calls from me asking questions and saying, oh, can you just check this for me? She's absolutely well known in the car world. And you know what, it's great to have some women together and girl power.
Absolutely girl power. It's such good fun, Gem, isn't it?
It is, yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. And do you know what, when you see your cars come, it just makes your heartbeat realise we're back to, to bring it back home is one of the best things ever for us.
Absolutely, to bring all these cars back to Longbridge, to celebrate all this wonderful history, it really is, it's a joy to do.
Thank you so much. How many have you bought today?
So we had 60 on our convoy today, so all different sorts, a really good variety, a mixed bag, really representing what Longbridge is, it's lovely.
And the lovely thing is all different age groups as well, haven't you? You've got lots of different age groups together.
Absolutely. You know, we have sort of people in their late teens, early 20s, all the way through to people in their 70s and 80s, and everyone in between. It's great.
Yes, thank you so much. And that group is always organised. They know they're normally the first to put the numbers in, and they always know where to go. So, that's brilliant for me as well. So, thank you so much, Tanya and team.
Oh, thank you, Gemma, for a wonderful day. You and your marshals, it's been brilliant. Everyone's enjoyed themselves, so thank you.
Great, thank you so much.
There's Gemma Cartwright, the organiser. An interview there on Birmingham Radio. Radio station broadcasting from Cofton Park for the Longbridge Rally here today. No, some people have gone. Just want to see who else is around here. MG's here, of course, with the new range there. Of course, as well as in the showroom at the top there. It's actually being closed. They're going to build a new one out here. I've heard on good authority from the staff in the MG showroom. There we are. We got a. I think this is an Austin 8 here. Lovely vintage Austin here. A few minis here. Got the Cooper Sports registered to my left. Go to the cars here. There's some of the French Rovers here. MGs there. So there we are. And the MG ZT there from France. Saw a few French. Some of the other events, certainly some of the Rover events and Land Rover. Now we also have the cars parked down here. Still cars around here. Got the further products of the factory here on this lovely day here at Cofton Park for the Longbridge Rally 2019. Montego there, and that is one of the earlier ones. Some of the last ones there were actually diesels, I should say. Same as some of the last Maestros. There we are. Rover 800 there. That's probably the standard specification, probably about the S. Oh no, it's the SLI. There we are. So mid-range there. Another Rover 800. Another one slightly discoloured front wing there. And a 75. Cofton Hackett down in the background there. A lot of building across the site over the last few years. Unfortunately, retail flats and also a few houses all taken for what was the former factory here. Quite a vast factory at one time. Lovely Rover 75 here. we are. Looks like top spec there with the sunroof, air conditioning and everything else. Lovely colour as well. Most of them didn't have sunroofs, that was an extra. Lots of things were only extras on these, because all changed from being standard by about 2003. Looks like the constant. And those lovely bright yellow, turquoise yellow range of cars here, including the Austin Allegro in the middle there at the Longbridge Rally here at Cofton Park. Good day out, good bit of camaraderie. What are they doing there? Doing some servicing here. What are they doing? It's a fault with it.
It's caught the ground.
Oh, it's a bit low. It's oh dear.
Yeah.
Below on the ground here. Oh, uneven ground. The car's caught the bottom of the ground. Bottom on the park here. Oh, there we are. More MGZ, ZS's, ZT's, etc. Turquoise green. Let's trouble with some of the around here. We've got the bumper on the ground there. Try and sort it out. Sort that out. The Longbridge officials here, Pride Longbridge officials. Here at Longbridge Rally 2019. Closes here about 4 o'clock, on 11 till 4 normally. Well, quite a few people leaving around about 1 o'clock, probably long distances, etc. I heard some of the clubs having a corporate meeting, I'm not sure where, probably the local pub I should think, but some of the car clubs do come here. So a lot of people are still here. Some of the international visitors just not long gone. Radio station still broadcasting. And I saw Colin Cork, he owns that Allegro there. Saw him about a quarter of an hour ago here.